What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the 925 protocol. Okay guys, so this is a protocol on Binance Smart Chain where you stake BUSD and the investors behind the scene will perform trades, and those trades will pump back to their smart contract to pay the investors. Okay, the project has been stamped by George Stamp and Crypto Prim, so he has 2 audits and he has a KYC certificate. Okay, over here we can see the overall stats of the protocol. Okay, total deposits 349,000 USD, total employees 527, revenue generated by the trades 23,150 bucks, and the current daily ROI is 0.6%. So remember guys, every Sunday the ROI changes. Okay, and this week, so from Sunday to next Saturday, okay, the ROI will be remaining at 0.6%. So it's best to compound, withdraw, or work harder on the Saturday. Okay, no later than Saturday, because Sunday the APR changes. Okay, so we have an announcement over here on their TG. Okay, and over here we can see that we have achieved 0% Ponzi this week. Okay, from 4th June to 10th June. Today is the 18th of June, with our continuous effort from our revenue. Okay, so they've made 7.2k on that week, and the total withdrawals were 6.7k. Okay, so made 550 bucks profit, which was added to the treasury, and on top of that they've made a 6.7k injection, and over here we can see the transaction. Okay, so let's go over to my dashboard and let's see what's up. So as you can see right here, currently the office is closed because it's Sunday, and over here we can see my total investment, total withdrawn, my ROI, and my monthly salary. Okay, so the office is closed. Over here we can see my daily rewards, weekly rewards, Monday to Friday. Okay, you can see my last claim, minimum claim, and my max claim. Okay, so all I gotta do is I'm gonna come over here and hit withdraw, pay their gas fee, and boom, good to go. Oops, probably my MetaMask is not connected. And that's it. Gas fee has been paid, so we're just waiting for the confirmation right there. And my ROI should change, as well as my total withdrawn. And as you can see right here, 10%, and total withdrawn 27.66. I said BUSD, but it's USDT. Okay, my bad. Right, so let's have a quick look at the smart contract. Okay, and we're gonna wrap this video up because this is just an update. Nothing new has changed in regards to the product. Okay, so the TVL right now is 20.7k. Okay, don't worry about this TVL. Okay, because the majority of the funds are on trades. Okay, so you know, when the contract needs pumping, the dev will pump the contract. Over here we can see what the people have been doing, claiming daily rewards, work harder, etc. Okay, let's go over to analytics and let's see what's up. Okay, we can see the token balance or contract balance. Okay, from the 30th of May, for some reason it's not showing from the beginning, but we can see that there was a huge drop. That's when they withdrew the money from the TVL to perform trades, and over here we can see that it's going more or less flat, which is really good to see. Okay, and over here we can see when the smart contract has been pumped. Over here is when they withdrew the money to perform trades, and over here we can see the pumps. Right, so far so good. 925 still doing its thing, still paying out, even though many people complain about 0.6% daily. Okay, from Monday to Friday. On the real world, you know, it's hard to see project paying that much. That being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. All the links gonna be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.